Welcome to the Natural Lifestyle Remedies channel, your trusted source for natural solutions to various health issues. We're passionate about empowering you with knowledge on natural remedies, those gems from the earth that can help improve your health and well-being. Today we're delving into the world of tinnitus relief, focusing on a particular mineral that works wonders. Stay tuned for this exciting journey into the heart of nature's pharmacy. In this video, we will explore the wonders of a certain mineral for tinnitus relief. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Before we delve into the remedy, it's crucial to understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is a common condition that causes a ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound in one or both ears. It's not a disease itself, but rather a symptom of an underlying condition, which could be age-related hearing loss, exposure to loud noise, or ear injury. The sounds of tinnitus can vary greatly, from a low roar to a high squeal, and it can be continuous or sporadic. It's a condition that affects people differently. Some find it merely annoying, while others find it debilitating. The importance of seeking treatment for tinnitus can't be stressed enough. Without proper management, tinnitus can lead to difficulties in concentrating, sleeping problems, and in severe cases, depression. Tinnitus can significantly affect one's quality of life, but fortunately, there are natural solutions at hand. One of these natural solutions is a miraculous mineral that has shown promising results in relieving tinnitus. This mineral, known as magnesium, is a vital nutrient that our bodies need for a multitude of functions. It's not just part of our bones and teeth, it's also a key player in over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies. Now you might wonder, what does magnesium have to do with tinnitus? Well, research suggests that magnesium can help protect our inner ear from damage, particularly damage caused by loud noise exposure, a common trigger for tinnitus. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Otolaryngology found that participants who took magnesium experienced a significant decrease in the severity of their tinnitus symptoms. But it's not just about tinnitus. Magnesium also contributes to heart health, muscle function, and nerve conduction. All in all, this mineral, easily found in nature, could be a game-changer for those struggling with tinnitus. Now that we understand the benefits of this mineral, let's delve into how to use it for maximum tinnitus relief. To experience the full effects of this mineral, consistency is key. Start with a small amount, around the size of a pea, and gradually increase the dosage over time if necessary. It's best to take this mineral once a day, either in the morning or at night, depending on when your symptoms are most severe. To consume, it can be mixed in water, juice, or even your morning smoothie. You can also find this mineral in capsule form if that's more convenient for you. However, always remember to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's safe for you. While using this mineral, make sure to stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet to enhance its effectiveness. With the right use, this mineral could significantly improve your tinnitus symptoms and overall well-being. That's a wrap on our guide to tinnitus relief using this wonderful mineral. We've journeyed through understanding tinnitus, to discovering the miracle mineral that can soothe it, and learning how to use it effectively. Harnessing the power of nature, this mineral could be your key to a quieter, more peaceful life. Remember, nature has solutions for many health issues. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more natural remedies, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Stay healthy, naturally,